Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make quick homemade biscuits. First, let's gather our dry ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Whisk these together in a large bowl until they are well combined. This ensures even distribution for a perfect rise. Getting this step right is crucial for light and fluffy biscuits every time. Now for the secret to flaky biscuits: cold butter. Cut 6 tablespoons of very cold butter into small, pea-sized pieces. Gently work the butter into your flour mixture using your fingertips until it resembles coarse crumbs. Next, slowly pour in 3/4 cup of cold buttermilk. Mix just until a shaggy dough comes together. Avoid over-mixing to keep your biscuits tender and light. Once your dough is ready, turn it out onto a lightly floured surface. Gently pat the dough to about 1 inch thick. Don't overwork it. Use a 2-inch biscuit cutter to create your biscuit shapes. Place them on a baking sheet, leaving a little space between each. Bake these beauties at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes until golden brown and risen. And there you have it, warm, fluffy, homemade biscuits ready to enjoy. Serve them immediately with your favorite toppings like butter, jam, or a savory gravy. They're perfect for breakfast, brunch, or as a side for dinner. These quick biscuits are sure to be a hit with everyone. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy baking.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.